Good morning. Warm greeting the wishes to all of us. The Honorable Mr. Gregorius Jaru Wijayoko, MSE, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Andi Fajar Setiawan. Today, I would like to present my science paper evaluation of the administrative and pharmaceutical aspect of prescription complete Tanjung Sari Pharmacy Kalongan Regency. Research background. Pharmaceutical service standards serve as benchmark and guidance for pharmacy personnel in carrying out a pharmaceutical service. Pharmaceutical care refers to the direct and responsible provision of pharmaceutical service to patients, with the goals of achieving specific outcomes that enhance patient and quality of life. One, the pharmaceutical service provided is the assessment of prescription. Prescription assessment. Prescription assessment is a part of clinical pharmacy service performed by pharmacists with support from vocational pharmacy staff, encompassing administrative and pharmaceutical review to prevent medication error. Prescription. Complete prescription must meet the criteria of administrative, pharmaceutical, and clinical complete. Tanjung Sari Pharmacy. Tanjung Sari Pharmacy is one of the community healthcare service provider that offer medication, medical supplies, and prescription service. The pharmacy is located at Jalan Raya Mandurorejo, Tanjung Sari Village, Kajen Subdistrict, Kalongan Regency. Tanjung Sari Pharmacy employed a total of X staff members. The pharmacy operates in 3 shifts as allowed follow 6 p.m. to 2 p.m., 2 p.m. to 9 p.m., 5 p.m. to 12 p.m. to 11 p.m. Tanjung Sari Pharmacy serves a range 200 prescriptions per month. The high demand for self-medication service, the large number of prescriptions have resulted in the absence of prescription assessment in the pharmacist's workflow. In like the aforementioned backgrounds, a research title Evaluation of the Administrative and Pharmaceutical Complaints of Prescription at Tanjung Sari Pharmacy, Kalongan Regency, is considered necessary. The results of this research are extended to support efforts to enhance the quality of patient care in the pharmacy. Research question. How complete are the prescription terms of administrative aspect at Tanjung Sari Pharmacy, Pekalongan Regency? 2. How complete are the prescription in terms of pharmaceutical aspect at Tanjung Sari Pharmacy, Pekalongan Regency? Research objective. The identify the complete of prescription in terms of administrative aspect at Tanjung Sari Pharmacy, Kalongan Regency. 2. To identify the complete of prescription in terms of pharmaceutical aspect at Tanjung Sari Pharmacy, Pekalongan Regency. Significance of the research. As a reference for implementing a protect healthcare service during the process of prescription assessment. 2. The study may serve as a reference to healthcare policy making by emphasizing the importance of assessing prescription compliance during pharmaceutical service delivery. Research type and design. The research, this is research descriptive observational research using a cross-sectional study design. Data collection was conducted prospectively and at Tanjung Sari Pharmacy, Pekalongan Regency. Research setting and object. The research was conducted at Tanjung Sari Pharmacy, Pekalongan Regency during September to October 2024. The object is this research consists of prescription sheets collected from Tanjung Sari Pharmacy, Pekalongan Regency during September 2024. Population and sample. The population in this study consists of prescription sheets available Tanjung Sari Pharmacy, Pekalongan Regency. The sample in this research include prescription sheets from Tanjung Sari Pharmacy, Pekalongan Regency during September 2024. Inclusion criteria. Prescription sheets from Tanjung Sari Pharmacy, Pekalongan Regency during September 2024. Exclusion criteria. 1. Prescription sheet that contain only medical device at Tanjung Sari Pharmacy, Pekalongan Regency during September 2024. 2. Prescription written for the prescriber then self-medication. Prescription. In this research, prescription is defined as a written request from a physician addressed to a pharmacist in paper form to provide pharmaceutical preparation for patient at Tanjung Sari Pharmacy. Characteristic of prescription. In this research, the characteristic of prescription are category based of the patient age, gender, composite prescription, and non-composite prescription. Prescription assessment. In this research, prescription assessment refer to the evaluation of administrative and pharmaceutical aspects in accordance with a regulation of the Minister of Health of Republic Indonesia number 73 of 2016. Administrative complaints. Administrative complaints in this research include the precision and accuracy of information such of patient name, age, gender, body weight, psychic name, practice license number, address, phone number, signature or initial, and prescription date. Pharmaceutical complete. Pharmaceutical complete in this research refers to the accuracy of pharmaceutical aspect, including dosage from drug strength, preparation stability, and preparation compatibility. Data analysis. The data obtained were analyzed quantitative to determine the percentage based on prescription characteristics as well as the complete of prescription in terms of administrative and pharmaceutical aspects. The results are then presented in tabular form. Analysis data, calculation of prescription characteristic percentage, number percentage based on specific characteristic, prescription characteristic. Prescription were category were based of patient age, patient gender, common prescription, extemporaneous prescription, and non-compound prescription. Prescription characteristic based on patient age. The majority of prescriptions sold at Tanjung Sari Pharmacy in September 2024 were for patients aged 20 to 59 years, totality 165 prescription, 64.45%. The last number of prescription was for patient age 0 to 2 years, with only one prescription, 0.39%. Prescription characteristic based of patient gender. The prescription data self at Tanjung Sari Pharmacy in September 2024 show that female patient accuracy for 148 prescription is finding 57.82% of the total. Prescription characteristic based of compound and non-compound medication. The prescription served at Tanjung Sari Pharmacy in September 2024 were predominantly non-confused prescription, accounting for 99.22% of the total. Evaluation of prescription complete in the administrative aspect. The administrative aspect represents the initial stage of prescription assessment during dispensing. Evaluation, the administrative aspect is essential as it involves the clarity of information and the validity of the prescription. Discussion is it was found the administrative complete parameter with 100% fulfillment where the prescription date, patient name, patient's gender, and doctor signature. The last percentage of completeness in the administrative aspect, 1.56%. Upforce in the parameter of the patient body weight and the doctor practice license. Administrative complaints of prescription. It was found that 98.83% of the prescriptions at Tanjung Sari Pharmacy were administrative incomplete out of the 256 prescription sheet analysis. Meanwhile, only 1.17% of the prescription were administrative complete. Evaluation of prescription complete in the pharmaceutical aspect. The pharmaceutical aspect of prescription review include the evaluation of the doses from drug strength, formulation stability, and compatibility of the preparation. Discussion. The doses from formulation stability and drug compatibility parameter research 100% complete. However, the drug strength parameter did not meet the standard of was written incompletely. Out of 256 prescription sample, 6 prescriptions did not specify the strength of the medication. Pharmaceutical complete of prescription. Based of the analysis of 256 prescription sheet at Tanjung Sari Pharmacy, 250 prescription, 97.65% meet the completeness criteria in pharmaceutical aspect. Well, 6 prescription, 2.35% were found to be incomplete. The pharmaceutical complete rate of 97.65% indicates that the majority of prescription received were generally in accordance with the established pharmaceutical service standard. Conclusion: administrative complete prescription account for 1.17%. Most administrative parameters were adequately fulfilled. Parameters such as prescription date, patient name, patient gender, and doctor's signature saw 100 complete. This indicates that the essential administrative element necessary for prescription validity and patient identification were fully addressed. The greatest deficiencies were found in the parameter of patient body weight and the doctor license number, as of which proved in only 1.56% of the prescription. It can be concluded that 97.65% of the prescription were pharmaceutical complete. The complete of prescription has fulfilled most of the established parameters. Among the four assessment parameters, dosage form, drug strength, formulation stability, and compatibility, results 100 complete dosage form, stability, and compatibility. The drug strength parameter results at complete level 97.65%, indication that there were still a few inconsistencies in the determination of drug strength of the prescription. And finally, here is the reference list that I use in writing to science paper. Thank you.